We harvested a lot of corn back in the fall, and instead of taking it right into a co-op and selling it, we've been storing it in a bin. It is time to sell it and haul it in somewhere.
All right. Now closing. How's that corn look?
Here's our crop that we worked so hard for. Alright, are you guys ready to see something really, really handy? It is this remote control that kind of looks like a flip phone. Turns on when you open it up, and you can see 100% open. That's our tarp on the front. But if you go to your main menu here, we can go to our front hopper and start opening it up. Alright, ready?